Let's read. I is a tricky word. K, think. The tricky word cannot be sounded out. Flag, flag. Was tricky word. Red, red. I think the flag was red. Your is a tricky word. Tricky words cannot be sounded out. At, cat. Sleep, sleeps. E is a digraph. All is a tricky word. Day. A is a digraph. Your cat sleeps all day. You're watching Phonics Reading YouTube channel and we are learning to read with phonics. He, tricky word. Goes is a tricky word. For. Aw as a digraph. Run. In. The tricky word. Morning. O and are digraphs. He goes for a run in the morning. Can. We is a tricky word. Go is a tricky word. With is a digraph. Them is a digraph. To, tricky word. The, tricky word. Coast. O is a digraph. Can we go with them to the coast? Children can practice writing these sentences to master the tricky words. Your tricky word. Little is also a tricky word. At, cat. Has. Run. Down. OW is a digraph, alternate spelling of ow sound. The road. O is a digraph. Your little cat has run down the road. The sun. Shines. Shine is a I magic-y word. Letter I and E together make I sound in shine. Brightly. IGH is a trigraph and making I sound. And Y, when it comes at the end of a word, can make either E or I sound. In, the is a tricky word. Sky. So in sky, Y is making I sound, whereas in brightly, Y is making E sound. The sun shines brightly in the sky. Don't forget to check the other reading videos in this series. Link is given in the description. Keep practicing. Thanks for watching. See you soon.